Since last year when I was doing the exhaust on the Trans Am, and I actually bought a electric, electric half-pound torque wrench, so I could actually get this, do bolts like this. I had to sell it because at the time I was working at Safeway, I didn't have the money. I had to pay bills, so I had to sell it back. So here's what I'm going to do. I have this jack hoist here, the floor jack hooked up to this to get this, because this bolt right here is fucking on there. I sprayed a bunch of this shit, which is the best WD-40 you can get. And it's still not budging, so it's torqued down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be ingenuity over here. I'm going to use this pole, hook up on that, and I'm just going to do it enough just to untorque it. So let's just see, in theory, if it works. Hit it. Hit it. Come on. Yes, okay, so. Oh shit. Oh. Oh, that son of a bitch is on there. So I'm actually lifting the cart from this bolt. That's how much is on there. So I need to find I have to go out, and I'm probably going to have to buy a 9/16 solid for a half-inch ratchet just to get it off, because I don't want to strip that. I really didn't want to break the hose. I got this situation going on here. Turning both the engine and radiator at the same time as best as we can do it. Alright, it's been about 2 months since I've last worked on this thing. I'm going to take off the exhaust now just because I'm bored today and want something to do. So, I'm not going to take the tarp all the way off, so I'm just... another frame here, and there's one over there. Just gotta take it off and cut the only supports the nose in there on the near side of the axle, and we're good to go. Not front, at least I hope. Did I pull the speedometer cable out? I forgot. I think I did. Nope, it's still. Alright, here we are underneath the car. I was actually curious how everything held up for sitting here so long. It's holding up pretty good. I mean, the only thing I gotta do is replace the steering components. If you can see that, that's pretty much the only issue under here, but, you know, new spring, new shock up front with the spring inside that, stiffening it up, new brakes, brake rotor. It's just this damn thing right here, and once I fix that, we're good to go. But now, we're gonna take off the exhaust for the last time for this particular engine. Oh, this thing's gonna be a bitch. Not because of taking this part's gonna be a bitch, it's the on sawing off the shit at the end where the mufflers are, it's gonna be a bitch. Alright, here we go. Apparently there are flow masters. Can't tell what it was, but no more mufflers. Not a lot more space to work with now. What's up, everybody? I'm back, and it's my phone out. As you see, I'm in a proper dress now. Thanks to my grandparents for buying me this. That helps. I think they got tired of, you know, me tracking grease and everything else in the house. But today, January 27th, 2016, got me some new toys to play with. Got an air compressor, an impact wrench, and the plan for today is I'm going to take off the intake here, the intake manifold, and take it off because I'm going to see if I can get some money for that. And after that, if I have time, I'll maybe take the valve covers off and start to sell those because these are not going to be used anymore. The reason it's sitting like that is because I don't want to bleed the system. It's already been bled, so as long as I can, you know, put it back without it being, you know, rebled. And why is that so rusty? Jesus Christ. Huh. That was brand new. How's it look inside? I don't know. Yeah, hold on. The fluid is perfect in there, so it's just superficial surface rust then, I guess. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna clear some of this stuff up. That fuel pump's brand new. It only has like 100 miles on it. So yeah, we're just gonna start taking off start unbolting. I'm gonna spray some of my trusted. This stuff's great. Get this stuff. This stuff makes your life a shit ton easier. Believe me. Oh, and if you're wondering why this video is slightly lower quality than the other ones, I didn't buy the 4K GoPro. I'm saying this, I haven't bought it yet. So all this is being done on a little 720p pocket cam. That's if you're wondering if there's a quality difference if you're watching this in 4K and wondering that it looks crap. That's why. Anyways, let's get to work. Yes. Don't know how much battery life I got left, and I was going to record this bit for you guys. Where to put it? Fuel line off too. Yeah, I should have did that. Whoops. I could probably get that. Let's just spray this shit. Bolts on this door back there. vacuum. What's this? What's up? I should have thought of this before.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna take off this guy right here because I can sell this because I'm not gonna use it no more.
For sure.
Yeah, I'm getting a new one with the engine. The guy's putting a new one on it. This one won't fit the new engine.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna sell that.
Does that mean you have to take the hood off if you take the engine?
There's progress so far. Was it the fuel line hooked up there? That's still plugged in. It's just a bitch to get to that bolt right there. Got the top radiator hose out of the way. Thermostat's still in there. I mean, is it really in there? Yeah. I don't even know what kind it is. I'll take it out later. Some coolant escapes into there. The valves. There's that one back there. Those always gave me shit. Look inside. Later on I'll take off the valve covers and sell those too. That's the situation right now. So here's drive shaft issue part 1. Backside, differential, no problem. 4 bolts, comes right out. Yeah, over this end, it just slides right out. But it leaks, as you can see, I've already had a little leakage. It leaks ATF, like a mother ever. And there's no drain plug in this transmission thing. And there's dogs barking, of course. There's no way for me to drain this out preemptively, and I don't have another thing. I don't feel like, that's a thing for another day. But if I want to take the drive shaft out, it's going to leak. And yes, it is, even though ATF is a detergent, as much as I would love to get this all over this driveway, which I've already said I would steam clean when the scar is finished, I'd rather not. So you're going to watch, in amazement, how I move a 50-pound drive shaft and simultaneously plug the hole with this plug over here. Now hopefully you guys, I don't know if you can see this clearly as I hope. It's good enough. My glove. And before we go say anything, I got 2 jack stands in the back, and I got the jack on the right side holding this thing up, so I'm not going to be crushed by 4,500 pounds of 70s iron. Okay, here goes nothing. This thing goes in. No balls. God damn. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, shit. That went according to plan. I got the right one in. Oh, wait. I'm just gonna hide that. Put that right there. Shit. It's in this. Oh, thank God. Alright, let's take a look underneath this son of a bitch. Okay, so look under here. Starter's right here. 1 bolt there, 1 right there. Dang, this thing got dirty quick. Anyways, it's right there if you can see it. Why is it so dusty? I don't even see the dust. There we go. Then after that, it's a matter of opening this inspection port up right here. You can see it, this little right here. And just turning the engine over slowly but surely and unbolting the 4 or 6 or how many torque converter bolts there is, and that'll be good for the day. But I'm gonna first get this son of a bitch out of here. Just trim. Got a package. I didn't order nothing, but okay. Let's do this. Huh? Sway bars. It's kind of funny if you look under here, and can get to an angle where you could possibly see this being taken off. This angle's all kinds of fucked. There we go. Don't you love when it does that? It just doesn't lock. Like there's not enough resistance on it just to keep it ratcheting back over. I love that. Okay. This side. Oh, this one's actually torqued in. Well, that came out quick. Alright. Get that out of the way. Alright, the car's covered back up. Took the radiator out and took the starter out. Got that all out of the way. The torque converter is no longer connected to the flex plate. At least hopefully. It's only 4 bolts holding that son of a bitch, and it surprised me. I thought it'd be a lot more. Yeah, I'm talking quiet because the neighbor's outside. Anyways, almost out of there. Next time is going to be the, hopefully next time is going to be when we've ripped the engine out of there, because there's really nothing else holding it in there. Oh yeah, take the trans cooler lines out of the way. And plugged up the trans lines so I don't leak fluid everywhere, but other than that we'll be good.